Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginner. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through what is a terminal. Because most of the time, if you want to learn Linux, you need to understand what is a terminal. Because whatever you'll be doing, Linux is what you'll be using something called a terminal, right? What is a terminal? Here, as you guys can see here, we have a black screen here, and I know a lot of people, they don't like black screen, right? This black screen here is called what? A terminal. And this terminal basically have a couple of names. It's what we can call a terminal a black environment, or we can call the terminal a black room, or a dark room, or a bad zone, right? All this name is referred to a terminal, right? A black room, a black environment, and so on. And the terminal here, it is an interface in Linux that a user use to interact with the Linux operating system and receive outputs, right? What happens is that when you pull up a terminal here, let's say here I am logging on one Linux operating system, I am going to tap ls here. I am trying to ask a computer to do something. And when I hit enter, it basically show me the output of the ls long list, right? But we have a lot of stuff basically going on behind the scene before I can see this output. What happened here is that the ls -l that I just typed like this, what is going to happen? A computer cannot understand what ls -l mean, right? And what happened here is that we have something called a kernel. A kernel will take this command and is going to transform this into a language that the computer can understand. When it's transformed that, this will be stored in what? In something called a random access memory, which is a RAM, right? And the CPU will process that information, right? The CPU will process that information, and as soon as the CPU process that, we are going to see the output here of the ls-l through our terminal. And it is just an interface that we use to interact with the Linux operating system. Guys, really simple. That's what the kernel means. And that's what the terminal means. Please, that's it for this video. Please, if you like this video, let us know in the description below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and do so, so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. And also, please do not forget to follow us on social media such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.